How to change your location on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and then click on your profile, and now click edit profile here. And now click here location, and you can change it to anything you want, like and then click save. I don't want to save this one, but if you want to save it, just click save. And just that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.